Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 18. Culture and Heritage. The Bonalu Festival of Telangana is celebrated with the offering of which special dish? A. Pulahora. The Telangana State Handicrafts Development Corporation promotes crafts such as A. Pembarthi metal craft. The Samaka Saralama Jatara is celebrated in the A. Medaram village. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is famous for its A. Secret underground tunnel. The traditional art of Telangana. Nirmal paintings. Originated in which town? A. Nirmal. The Devarakonda Fort in Telangana was built by the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The Dimsa dance of Telangana is performed by which tribal community? A. Lambadas. The Bathakama festival in Telangana is celebrated for A. 9 days. The Vemulawada Rajana temple in Telangana is famous for its A. Kalyana Mandapam. The Dakkani cuisine of Telangana is influenced by which culinary traditions? A. Persian and Mughal. The Bonalu festival in Telangana is celebrated primarily in honor of which goddess? A. Mahankali. The Telangana State Tribal Museum in Hyderabad showcases artifacts of the A. Lambada tribe. The traditional art of Telangana, Warangal metal craft, is known for its A. Brass and bronze work. The Telangana State Tribal Museum in Hyderabad showcases the culture and lifestyle of A. Tribal communities. The traditional martial art form of Telangana, Thakudu Bila, uses which weapon? A. Wooden stick. The Bonalu festival in Telangana is celebrated primarily in which month of the Hindu calendar? A. Ashada. The Telangana State Archaeology Museum in Hyderabad exhibits artifacts from the A. Kakatiya dynasty. The traditional art of Telangana, Nakashi, is known for its A. Pictorial style paintings. The Gadwal saris of Telangana are famous for their A. Silk and cotton weaves. The Koti Lingala temples in Telangana are known for their A. Stone carvings. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.